Well, goddamn, boy, that is an Instagram picture right there, if I say so myself. But yeah, we are about 20 miles away from the house right now. Jumped on the freeway to come meet up with a guy to buy a few 55-gallon drums for fuel, dude. Look at that shit. So now, no more running to bumfuck Egypt to the gas station to go get E85. We just fill up a drum and have E85 sitting in the garage at all times, you know what I'm saying? It also came with a pump. But yeah, we're gonna get back to the house. I gotta go find where the hell it is I'm even gonna put these damn things at. Bam! So we're back at the house, man. We ended up getting these damn 55-gallon drums back to the house. We didn't go and fill them up yet. Look, we're already piling them full of shit, man. What the fuck?
No, that's mine, actually.
We didn't go fill them up yet. We probably will tomorrow or the next day or something. You see, the problem is most of the E85 stations around here is actually like E50 or E54 or whatever. There's a select few stations that are actually E85, and so now there's a new station that's right here by my house, and who knows how long it's gonna last, but it's actually E85. Some people went up there and tested it, and it even came out as E90 when they tested it. So we're actually gonna go up there because that stuff was, how much was it a gallon? Like $2.40. Yeah, it's like $2.40 a gallon right now. So we're gonna go up there and probably at least fill one of these drums up. We only wanted one drum, but the guy was like $100 for all of it. So we got 3 of them, dropped one of them off at my cousin's house, and then we kept 2, and it also came with this little pump. So we'll probably fill one up, maybe sell the other one for 50 bucks or something, or who knows, we might keep it and fill them both up. But now we are on to this damn hatchback, man. We're getting ready to pull the seat out, get the battery out of the way, grab all the little stuff that's just laying in here, get it out of the way, and start cutting the absolute shit out of this. We want to try to get these windows out. I want to make a couple templates of these windows before we actually take them out, in case we break them. You guys know my my track record of removing fucking glass and trying not to break it. Holy shit, bro, this is what I didn't want.
I was actually gonna ask you if you wanted me to press record. That was loud.
Yeah, that was really loud. It always breaks, period. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do, unfortunately. We don't have any freaking light under. Dude, I need to put lights underneath this damn thing so fucking bad. We figured it out, Toby. We figured it out, huh, dude? We got light now. Oh, man. Come on, we got past the clip. Let's go.
You got past the clip?
Yeah, finally.
God, it's smoking.
What the hell you lumberjacks doing?
Nothing.
Chopping down the tree.
Now, how are you gonna get to the bottom?
Crack it.
Can you go more down on it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, scratching the paint. Scratching the paint. Go back up?
Well, you're gonna have to go through there.
Yeah.
Either way.
So go.
But it's gonna scratch the paint.
Yeah. Oh, no, you gotta hold it at an angle like this.
Well, it's because if I hold at an angle like that, with him pushing up and me pushing that way, it's just gonna like make the window go that way.
No, like you gotta go that way. Like it's gotta be a V like this and like that. Yeah, unfortunately you can't stay sitting. Anyhow, while these guys are working on cutting windows out, I'm gonna start cutting some panels out, probably starting with this area right here. First piece. Hell yeah. We're building ourselves a street weapon here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's remember that.
So
Junior's over here wanting me to leave this piece here. He wants us to stay here so he can put his little strut bar in. He wants his little sway bar, his little strut bar, his little whatever you want to call it. And I'm like, boy, did you not see gunning right now?
Yeah, I did.
Did you not see it?
He chopped it off.
Yeah, you gotta go all the way up, bro.
He chopped it off.
You gotta go all the way up.
So that means we're gonna have to cut this.
Like, do you really want to pull up next to some other motherfucker and they're like, damn, yeah, you cut a lot, but I cut more because, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Look, I'm gonna tell you something. You cut whatever needs to be cut. Just don't cut the wires.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna cut the wires. What I'll try not to actually poke out the outside. I'm trying not to. I'm not gonna go in depth, step by step on everything that we're doing here. I'm going back and forth from here and watching Keep Gunnin's video, bro. I'll throw a clip in right now.
I'm just gonna go from here. I'm gonna go down towards the tail light, just to get this area out of the way. I told you, you don't have to be a fucking hero. You don't have to be a hero. Just cut it out in small sections and then move your way around. I'm ready to make this. Now I can just skin right here. I could just start cutting this line around here. It would have been harder to see if this was in the way. Now I can see this entire section is all skin. So I can go from up here, I can cut across, come down this way, and I'll be able to remove this so much easier. But like I said, if we're doing streetcar stuff, this is a beautiful cut. You can go all the way up to here and then leave it alone. So up to here for streetcars, up to here, remove the quarter panel part and your money. And then, like I said, when you want to go to the extreme, you're gonna have to remove that B pillar, but we'll get to that into another episode because that's just a whole new can of worms on how to take that out. So I'll do both quarters for you guys today. We'll keep trying to remove the firewall and yeah, we'll fucking keep gunning.
That dude's got this shit on lock. So most certainly, if you guys want a step by step, go check out that video that he put up. I think that he has a series of it where he has like his streetcar cut and then his full-blown race car cut. You know what I'm saying? I haven't seen that video yet. But yeah, I'll have his video in the description down below because, I mean, what else? I mean, it's the Bible, bro. You gotta live by it. You gotta go by that shit. You know what I'm saying? He's got it down. There ain't nothing I can fucking teach you here that he don't already have documented, so. Well, we're taking a little break from cutting for the moment because Curly had some time and he pulled up to go and take the hatch for a little like a street tune basically because it needs to be touched up. The ECU and the engine that's actually in there is out of Junior's Integra, and which was tuned before, but if you guys remember, it was turboed before. So obviously that tune ain't gonna work. So he's doing kind of like a base map slash kind of street tune on it right now. He may be hitting a dyno with me, who knows, man. I just know that we need to get both of these B20V cars running in tip-top shape, bro. How's it running?
Like a fucking piece of shit. It feels heavy.
It feels heavy?
Yeah.
Shit.
Well, it's because there's no VTEC engaging. There's no VTEC.
Really?
Yeah.
That the other day when Colton was here and you did like a pull right here, did you clutch kick or was that VTEC?
No, that was VTEC. That's what I was telling him.
Yeah.
VTEC
What the fuck?
So,
VTEC engaged. Oh, engaged.
yeah, engage. Well, he's saying the,
Take it off my finger and we're just running the wire from here. Yeah.
well, I mean, I ran those two wires. Those wires are ran. Like, the two of them, they go to the ECU.
Well, I think VTEC's working now. I mean, you guys wouldn't be able to hear it, but I could hear it echoing through the streets. It definitely sounded like VTEC pop, so. What's that face mean?
That means the cat ain't want none of this.
You're full of shit, bro.
Ask Curly. Ask Curly. Hey, you should go try it.
Yeah?
It fucking spins like fucking crazy. Like literally like spins crazy.
Well, you need tires.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me. Say it might be a good match. Run them like this before you get tuned.
Yeah.
Just put some tires on it.
Well, it's the next day, man. We didn't get all the cutting done, unfortunately, but it's all good, bro. We ran out of time. Today, we actually have to get this car and the khaki Civic. We got to get both these cars ready to go hit the dyno, dude, because we are going to freaking night, man. Junior's got to finish getting his wideband all installed, but I figured I'd at least show you guys how far we got. I got at least this quarter panel done, and this one over here partially done. I still have that back section right there I got to do, but bro, we're going to cut everything out of this car all the way up here. Probably going to do the B pillar. If I can still retain the stock seatbelt. I don't know. We'll have to look into that a little bit later, because I don't know. I don't think he has a harness bar. I think if we're going to do the B pillar, we should get a roll cage for the car, actually. So we may leave the B pillar for now, but we definitely are going to be cutting doors. We're going to remove all the glass and everything, do all Lexan and all that stuff on this. So I'll pick back up on the weekend whenever I actually have like a full day that I can spend on it, you know what I'm saying, to actually get this all done. There's still a lot of shit inside the dash that we got to gut out as well. The goal is to have this car lighter than mine, bro. And if you guys remember, mine came out 1,880 pounds, so we're shooting for like 1,700 pounds with this car. That's definitely gonna be one hell of a street car, bro, I'll tell you what. But anyhow, I gotta get the khaki Civic and we gotta get that car ready to hit the dyno tonight, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and start on the next one, man. If I get a chance before I get this video done, I'll put a little bit of teaser footage at the end for you guys. But just know, the next video, we're gonna be at the dyno. So go check Curly out on Instagram. If you guys are local and you guys are looking for tuning, most certainly hit him up. He does dyno tunes, he'll do a street tune, whatever it is that you're looking for. Or if you're just looking for a base map on your ECU, man, he's got you taken care of. The khaki Civic has been running strong on his base map. It's basically a base map, and he went through and he cleaned it up a little bit. So for the most part, a street tune, man. And you guys already know it's been running really good on that. So I'm definitely impressed. But now we get to go see what's going to actually do on the dyno, dude. And the dyno we're going to be using is at Arizona Specialty Motors, man. They also have an Instagram. I'm going to put that on the screen, or it'll be in the description down below. Go check them out, okay? Go follow them on Instagram. I guarantee you they'll probably have some pools of the khaki Civic up there on their Instagram before I can even get them on YouTube, you know know what I'm saying? Definitely a badass shop. I've gotten a chance to talk to a couple of the guys down there, and they're being super cool, letting Junior and I come down, use their dyno. So go check both of them out on Instagram, Curly and Arizona Specialty Motors. I guarantee you they're both gonna have stuff up about the khaki Civic on the dyno before I can get to it, because you know it takes me time to edit and everything. Peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we didn't get that done, but I'm gonna hit it hard this weekend whenever I actually have time to get it done, you know what I mean? Later.